Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. It's a great time to be alive or not, guys. We're seeing that most of the markets are down, down. So it looks like we got a red Debbie Downer bear in the house, guys, and we've got some huge Elon Musk news. It looks like Elon Musk is not going to be on the board of Twitter. We're going to talk about that. What does that mean for Doge? What does that mean for Twitter? And you know, there are some rumors that are also surfacing that could be really good rumors in the house when it comes to Elon Musk and Twitter. So you guys are going to have to stay tuned for that and keep watching to the end, guys. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. So hopefully you're loving it. And we got the alien in the house. Absolutely got the alien in the house. So hopefully you guys are having a great time out there, because I'm having an absolutely great time out there. But despite that, everything is going down, down. You know, I'm still trying to keep positive. You know, we're seeing that also too. We're seeing that there's a whole long squeeze that's happening. More long liquidations seem to be building up. So this is going to create a long squeeze, and this could push the Bitcoin price down, down. So we could be seeing $41,000 incoming for Bitcoin. We could be seeing, you know, Doge could be going back down to its 13-cent support level. So we don't want to see that happening. I absolutely don't want to see that happen, and you don't want to see that out there, guys. That's going to be a huge Debbie Downer. So let's get ready, guys, to go down the crypto rabbit hole with the OG in the house. I love it. You love it. Everybody loves it. And remember, this is not financial advice. This is just the OG expressing his opinion. And I'm not a licensed financial advisor. And it's also so important for you guys out there to make sure that at all times you secure your crypto, turn on two-factor authentication. And remember one thing: crypto is absolutely a jungle out there. Crypto is absolutely a jungle, guys. It is a huge jungle out there. So what you want to be doing out there is, remember, crypto is a zero-sum game, guys, and it means that if somebody is winning, it means that somebody is absolutely losing in house. So that is why you guys need to understand that it's so important for you to take a good look at what you're investing in. Take a good look at what you're investing in. Check out the website, check out the white paper, who's the developers, and never, ever, you know, in my opinion, never invest in any project that's younger than 2 years. You know, that's my advice. Sure, there's going to be some outliers out there like Avalanche and stuff like that. But, you know, you guys have to absolutely have to do your own research. That is so key, guys. So let's jump into the Dogecoin news. We're going to talk about the Dogecoin technicals, the Bitcoin technicals. We're going to talk about the huge Elon Musk in the house news, and you know, how that's going to affect Dogecoin coming forward. So, you know, when you guys are watching it, you're probably just waking up, you're probably just reading that news. So you could be expecting to see that Dogecoin is going to tank, because a lot of people are going to be like, you know, worried in the house that things are going to be going down, down. So just be wary that we could see a Dogecoin going down by the time you're watching this. So I don't want to be seeing Dogecoin going down. You don't want to be seeing Dogecoin going down either, guys. So right now if we look at the weekly on-chain data right now, we're seeing that right now we have a $229 million of the Bitcoin has flown off exchanges. We've seen $261 million worth of Ethereum flowing onto exchange. So that is pretty bullish that we're still seeing more crypto going off exchanges. We're also seeing that Tether as well has been taken off exchanges. So some people have been taking profits out there. Absolutely, some people have been taking profits. And you know, if we take a look at the Bitcoin on, Bitcoin on exchanges right now, we can see that overall Bitcoin has been going down, down on exchanges, and that is extremely bullish right now. So that is pretty good in the house, and we're seeing overall things are going down. So if we move this down to here, we can absolutely see that, you know, since April 8th to the 11th, we've seen that actually Bitcoin has been flowing back onto exchanges. But if we go way back over here, guys, we can see that, you know, from May to April 4th, we did see that the amount of Bitcoin did flow off exchanges. We're seeing a bit of a reversal now because, you know, some of the weak hands, the paper hands have been taking profits, and that is what has been causing a little bit more flow onto exchanges. But overall, we're seeing the net flow of Bitcoin, Ethereum is going off exchanges. So that is pretty cool. I am psyched about that. You should be psyched about that. It is absolutely huge. So let's take a look at the heat map in the house. So the heat map is looking really red, guys. So you know what that means? It means that, you know, the OG is going to get his sunglasses on. So we're seeing that, you know, Bitcoin Bitcoin is still going down, down, down. Do not be surprised. Do not panic if we see Bitcoin going down to $41,000. We could see that, Ethereum could be dropping below 3,000 as well. We could even see ourselves going down to $2,500 for Ethereum. So, I mean, from my perspective, I'm kind of hoping it does go down a little bit. And don't forget, we got the CPI data that is coming out on Tuesday. So that's going to be a huge announcement. And if the CPI data result is negative, we're going to see more red. We're going to see more cascading action going down, down. But if it is a good result, we'll see a huge reversal, broader markets, and crypto be going up, guys. So that is all I've got to say about that. We're seeing right now the fear and greed is at 32. I was at 34 yesterday. So, the sentiment is not very good. And I think that by tomorrow, this sentiment should be around about 25 in the house, because we're still seeing things go down, down, down. So just a reminder, we do have the CPI data. They're forecasting 8.4% right here, guys. Last month it was 7.9. So if it comes in lower than 8.4%, as I said previously, we're going to see the things pump. And if it is more than 8.4%, we're going to see things dump. So I believe that we're going to see CPI data coming around, I would say around 8.7-ish. So expect some dumpage, guys. I'm not worried, because I'm going to be dollar cost averaging like a madman on Thursday. So I'm not too worried about it. You shouldn't be too worried about it in-house. So right now, if we take a look at the Dogecoin so sad or much wow, let's just refresh that and let's get an indicator of that. So we can see right now that the Dogecoin much wow sad indicator, we're seeing right now we're kind of at 32 in the house, and this is pretty much for Dogecoin, we're kind of like stuck in the middle right now. So hopefully we can move the Dogecoin much wow indicator to much wow and not such sad, guys. So that is cool. Now, if we take a look at the total Dogecoin nodes out there, we've got 4,819 nodes out there. And we've got right now 9 Starlink nodes running, guys. So that is pretty good. So we got some Dogecoin nodes in outer space, guys. So that's pretty good. We can thank Elon Musk for that, for having those SpaceX Starlink nodes up there, guys. So that's pretty good. I didn't know that. So this is a big breaking news. Elon Musk will not join Twitter's board, company said. So there was an announcement made by the CEO, and he basically said that Elon Musk has not decided that he won't be joining the board after all. I mean, he did say that he would, and he's had a bit of a reversal, guys. So Elon Musk, world's wealthiest man, biggest shareholder on Twitter, will no longer be joining the Twitter board, guys. So we all know that he took a 9.2% stake. So we're seeing some reversals happening back and forth. And then we have the statement from the CEO, and basically he's making the announcement that, he will not be joining the board. It's business as usual, yada, yada, yada. So there are some rumors out there. There are absolutely some rumors out there that one of the reasons that Elon Musk is not taking a board seat now is that Elon Musk may want to be taking a controlling interest in Twitter and buying more than 51% of the shares, guys. So if that happens, then Elon Musk cannot be on the board, and he has to fill out a form that said he's going to be a passive investor until such times as he takes the controlling interest. So if that does happen, then we're going to see a huge catalyst for Dogecoin with reference to Twitter. We're definitely going to get the tipping jar. We're going to get, be able to buy the check mark with Doge, and this could be a huge catalyst, and Doge could become the currency of Twitter, guys. So that is cool. That is absolutely cool beans in the house. So if you like that and I like that, go down there, smash the likes, boop those likes, boop, boop, boop the likes, guys. And don't forget to subscribe and comment. You guys have to feed the YouTube algorithm. That's so important that you do that. And, we're going to be seeing that, CPI data is going to be so critical for either crypto's going up or crypto's going down. So guys, get ready. It is going to be a nasty ride if we see the CPI data going down, going up above 8.4%. Excuse me, I got it wrong. So right now, for the Dogecoin price, we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is at 1426. And on the 4 hour, we're seeing Doge take a huge dump, guys. We're down about 2.53%. And a lot of that is because of this whole Twitter announcement that Elon Musk is not on the board. So that is why we're seeing Doge going down, guys. So hopefully this will not continue, but I'm pretty much expecting that when you're watching this, we should be below 1523, and we could be going as low as 14 cents, if not going down to 13.5, because this announcement came out pretty late and most people in America are not up right now. So this is going to have a pretty deleterious effect. Most of the European markets have reacted already, and that's why we're seeing a Doge down right now about 2.53%. So we're probably going to see a bigger tankety tank for the Doge when that happens, guys. So it looks like Luna Foundation bought 176 million Bitcoin and 200 million Avalanche over the weekend. But even despite that, we're still seeing that Avalanche is still down, down. Now keep in mind that Luna the tuna, fundamentally, it's still a great layer one solution out there. It's a great coin and it has a lot of opportunity going to the upside. But right now we're seeing that because of Bitcoin's price going down, down, that is why we're seeing a lot of the altcoins bleeding out. So that is not too good in the house, and that's why we're seeing a lot of the altcoins bleeding out like crazy, is because Bitcoin is going down, and also we're seeing the Bitcoin dominance is rising. So more money is flowing out of the altcoins into Bitcoin, and that is why we're seeing that the prices are crazy. It's carnage out there. We're seeing a lot of the altcoins just bleeding out like crazy. Also, it looks like Coinbase just got kicked in the butt as well. A regulatory tweak quickly halted Coinbase's crypto trading run in India. So it looks like India has absolutely suspended the NPCI on the 7th with reference to some recent media reports around the purchase of cryptocurrency using UPI national payments. So basically what's happened is the National Payments Ministry has basically said, look, you cannot use UPI, a unified payment interface, for Coinbase to buy crypto. So this is pretty nasty, and we have one minister in India saying, look, we're gonna have to pay tax at 50%. So that is just cuckoo in the house, guys. So that is not good. So if you're in India and you're getting into crypto, you're in a very turbulent, very volatile, very unsettled, and very undetermined what's going to happen with crypto in India. So it looks like Coinbase is also, they're not getting the boot, but they're seeing that the wishy-washy kind of stance that the Indian government takes on cryptocurrency. They're always changing. So it's going to be really, really difficult for them out there to actually make any forward momentum. I mean, I predict that Coinbase is probably going to leave that market alone. It's too complicated out there. We're also seeing that Kathy Wood, Arkhill, has dumped PayPal for Cash App because they have higher conviction in Bitcoin. So this is important, guys, because PayPal is one of the largest digital payment system out there after Visa, after Visa card, and we're seeing that PayPal, they only have enabled cryptocurrency in the UK, and what it means is when you buy cryptocurrency vis-a-vis PayPal, you're not actually holding the underlying asset. Because if you want to, send your Bitcoin somewhere that you bought on PayPal, you can't. You have to convert it to fiat and then send it off somewhere. And we all know that PayPal has crazy fees out there. And eToro, however, when you do buy Bitcoin on their platform, you can send the Bitcoin to your eToro digital wallet and then send it anyways. However, I must admit, and if you're watching this, I must say that your support sucks right now because I have to change my mobile phone number on eToro because I changed the number and it was previously verified, and for me to actually get the eToro support to change that number, it's been already 2 weeks. I've sent them my passport, sent them all the details, and nothing is happening with those knuckleheads over there. It's just crazy, guys. So if they don't make some moves soon, it looks like I'm gonna have to lawyer up and go after them because it's just insane, guys. They're holding my crypto hostage. They're holding my money hostage on eToro. So I'm gonna be sending this video to them as well, the link, so they can see my roasting of eToro, guys. So all I can say is stay away from eToro. Their support sucks, guys. Their absolute support sucks. So this is also coming in from Ali in the house, and he's saying that Bitcoin could be preparing for a liquidation cascade, and 70% of all trading accounts on Binance futures right now are currently net long, and this is going to create a long squeeze out there, and that is going to send the price down, down. And I have said that in previous videos, we could be seeing that Bitcoin could go down to 42,000 to 41,000 to collect liquidity. So the market makers are actually manipulating the market, driving the price down, and they're there to take your liquidity. So we can see that shorts are right now about 29% and longs are at 70%. So get ready for it, guys. Get absolutely ready. But I'm kind of looking forward to this whole event because I'm going to buy some Bitty at 41,000 or lower, guys. And remember, one of the main reasons that we saw Bitcoin dump when the Miami Bitcoin conference was on, because F2 pool out there, they liquidated 6,000 Bitcoin on the public exchanges, guys. So that is what it's seeing. So this from Crypto Rover, and he's saying that I am long on Bitcoin now. So you know what you have to do is just take a long stance, take a diamond hand hodling approach, and wait for life-changing wealth. It's just a matter of time, time before we see Bitty and all the cryptocurrencies going up. So let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house, guys. Let's take a look at the apes. So the leverage apes are back at it again. We got $289 million worth of crypto that's been liquidated. It means they lost some money, they're wrecked. At least if you buy one Doge on the spot, you still have one Doge, guys. So never leverage trade. We're seeing $103,000 leverage traders got wrecked out there. That's just insane, guys. And we're seeing that, you know, almost $6.3 million worth of Doge has been wrecked in the last 24 hours. And we're seeing right now in the last 12 hours, we're seeing mainly longs. And in the last 24 hours, it's still longs, guys. And that is why it's putting a lot of long pressure, long squeeze on Bitcoin. And that is why we're seeing Bitcoin going down, down. And that is not good, guys. So guys, if you're still watching, boop the like. And don't forget to subscribe. Super chats would be much welcome. And comment, guys. You got to feed the algorithm. Tell the algorithm how much you love the OG, guys. And comment up a storm, guys. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price, guys. So right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 42,000. It's just at the $42,000 support level right now. And we could be going down, down. So I'm hoping that we do not go below that. We're right at the support level right now. So hopefully that will hold. If not, we're going to see Bitcoin going down to $41,000. And I'm pretty confident that's probably what's going to happen. We're seeing Bitty right now on the weekly. This is on the Binance charts at 41,517. So on the Binance chart, definitely dropped below 42,000. And this is also on the Binance chart as well. This is also now down below 41,500. So we have dropped below the $42,000 level. So this is bad news bears, guys. Absolutely bad news bears in the house, guys. So I'm not too happy about it, not too thrilled. So I expect us to hit $41,000. Absolutely expect it, guys. We're still seeing that our parallel channel line for Bitcoin is still holding firm, guys. So as long as we don't go below this area, which is around about 34,000, we're still going to be good, guys. And also there's a critical level here called the Bitcoin. There's a Bitcoin miner capitulation level. And if Bitcoin drops below 21,000, it's over, it's done. Bitcoin is going to go down to $10,000. Absolutely. So we need to make sure that we stay above that level, because that is the current cost of mining one Bitcoin is about 21K. So if we start to drop below this level here, around 28,000, then there is a good risk that there'll be a sell-off, guys. And if that happens, it'll just Bitcoin will just go and it'll be a huge crappy day out there if that happens. So right now we're seeing Ethereum is also dumpity dump. And we do have some support here at $3,000. So hopefully the $3,000 support will hold. We're at $3,074. But more than likely, we'll probably see ourselves probably go down to below 3,000. And then our next stop for Ethereum is going to be 2,600, guys. So hold on, get ready. It's going to be a huge elevator ride to the downside, guys. And we're seeing that Phantom is bleeding out like crazy. And Phantom is now $1.16. We're probably going to go down to $1, guys. Absolutely get ready for the buck. The buck is coming in, guys. And we're seeing that Solana right now is 105. And do expect that we may blow below this 102 level, and we're probably going to go down to, you know, sub $100 and probably go down to like $95 in the house. So get ready for that, guys. Absolutely get ready. Tune up, guys. Tune up. We're about to all get the crypto tune up from the market makers in the house. And we're seeing that also ADA is now dropped below $1, guys. So I'm a buyer at $1. I'm probably going to be loading up probably on Thursday. So I'm hoping that ADA is still below $1. That way, when I do my DCA, I'm going to be dollar cost averaging like a madman, guys. So that is what that's all about, guys. It is just it's a turd of a day out there in crypto land. We're seeing the market cap is dumpity dump. We're now at 1.93 trillion. We're seeing the volumes are pretty light though, and the Bitcoin dominance is moving up to 41. So this is not what we want to see. This is absolutely not what we want to see in the house. It's looking pretty bad. And we're seeing right now that overall the whole crypto markets, it's huge carnage out there. It's so bright. We're bleeding out like crazy, guys. There's blood in the streets, guys. But what you should be doing is buy the fear. Absolutely buy the fear, guys. Buy the fear and don't panic sell, guys. Absolutely don't panic. I never ever saw your crypto at a loss, guys. So if you have to wait till 2024, 2025, do it, guys. And remember, always pay yourself. Take profits, guys. When you're up 200%, take profits. When you're up 400%, take profits, guys. And what I like to do is when I'm up 200%, I like to take 50% off the table. Make sure I pay myself. Make sure I take out my original investment, and then I keep 50% in. And when that pumps up to 400%, what I like to do is I like to also take profits as well, 50%. And then the rest I leave in is just my moon boy bag, guys. So we're seeing overall, it's a pretty poo-poo-schmata day out there in terms of crypto land. We're seeing, Solana is down, it's 105, and we're seeing ADA is down below 100, below a buck. We're seeing Luna Tuna is down as well, like 8.6%. We're seeing Avalanche is down. We're seeing Dottie Watt is down. We're seeing right now that even the Doja Woja is down below 14 cents in the house. So, relative to the layer ones, Doja is actually not doing too bad in the house, and it's looking pretty bad. Doja is actually doing better than Ethereum right now, so that is pretty cool beans in the house. So with that being said, guys, with that absolutely being said, don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter, guys. Follow. Don't forget to book the likes, and don't forget to absolutely subscribe, comment. I love to get a comment, guys. I love to see your comments, and comment up a storm, feeds the algorithm. And don't forget to go and check out the links. Check out the links, guys. Get the links. You want the links, I want the links. Get it. Buy the channel coffee. And also, guys, check out the merch, guys. We got hats, we got hoodies, we've got the cup to cup, we got the mug to mug. Get it, guys. Get the merch. Remember, all the merch, all the super chats, all the membership, all goes to charity. And hopefully we'll be having a charity video sometime in June-ish, depending on how things work out, guys. So with that being said, guys, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. It's a great time to be alive. Be humble out there. Be respectful. Be loving. Go with God. Be with God. Blessings be on all of you out there. I know you guys are pretty much stressed out because of the whole crypto situation right now, because things are going down, down. And most of the reason we're seeing things go down is because of this whole long squeeze that's happening, and that's going to just push prices down. Don't be so surprised if we see $41,000 coming in for the whole Bitcoin area, and that's going to just push everything down. Don't be so surprised if we see, Bitcoin down go back up to 42, guys. So it is what it is. Chillax. Don't stress out. We're going to get there together, because the OG, the Ric Flair Crypto, in the house. I'm with you every step of the way, guys. I'm right behind you. I'm with you. And you got my love. You got my support. So with that being said, guys, God bless each and every one of you out there. Be humble. And remember, crypto is a zero-sum game. So I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Smash the likes. Last chance to smash the likes. Woo!